Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, my name is Anup and I'm going to talk about crop production and management. So, it will take 5 minutes of your and I will highlight some few points. So, basically, in our India, that our season is divided into three groups. First is winter, and second is rainy, and third is summer season. So, first is that Kharif crop. In Kharif crop grown and June to September, and they are winter crop, rainy season crop, and their example like a paddy, maize, and etc. And in Z crop are grown and usually summer season, and their example like a watermelon. And in the rabi crop grown and winter season, and their example like a pea, mustard, lean side, etc. And so basically in many people thinking that what is crop. So crop is large, they grow on large number scale, that is called crop. And we will talk about preparation of soil, a farmer, that what are the process to give to grow on the crop. So first is preparation of soil. In the farmer, first step in the farmer, that they prepare of soil, and they soil is the farmer lose and turn into the soil, and the roots are easily penetrate deep into the soil to breathe easily and nutrition, and give root give easily nutrition to the upper crop. So we will in preparation of soil, that soil prepare many agricultural implement. In agricultural implement, first is hoe, third is plug, second is plug, and third is cultivator. I draw the picture of hoe, that I that the this is a hoe, and that there are a bent plate, and they work to removing of weeds and loosen of the soil. So basically plug like a diagram, that there the that that a plug shaft, and that plug shear. In that they work on that removing from weeds and loosen to the soil. So basically we talk about second is sowing. In a farmer, many process that they sowing implement are funnel like this. And farmer, their operator is animal. They are the farmer, that he put on that in that seeds, and but they are traditional matter, they are not using, because that the soil not cover to the seeds. In that seed drill is a sowing implement, and they easily cover of the weeds, and not birds not eat them weeds. We talk about adding manure and fertilizer. And we talk about adding manure and fertilizer. If the plant were grow, so that we the farmer on gave on that add manure and fertilizer. Manure is prepare on the field, and fertilizer prepare on factories. In manure is good for the farmer, and fertilizer are not good for the farmer. We talk about irrigation. Irrigation means the supply to the water, that is called irrigation. And their modern method is drip system and sprinkler system. Drip system, like I draw the picture, that they are our crop, and that they are drip system. In drip system, not waste of water, they drop by drop on the roots of crop. So in that sprinkler system, that sprinkler system is that in that sprinkler system, many waste of waters, and they use of uneven land like a coffee plantation. And let's we talk about protecting from weeds. In weeds are unwanted for the farmer, for the crop, because they are very poisonous for the crops, and they give only on the nutrition from the crop and space from the crop, and not in, you know about that a crop usually that he food prepare of food only on sunlight, and he in the crop they do not reflect on that sunlight on there, so that protecting from weeds, so that they are very, and we use for protecting from weeds, farmer use is weedicide. Weedicide is a chemical they use in the farming to protecting of crops to the weeds. We talk about harvest. In harvest means katai, harvest means katai and storage. Why they are storage of crop? Because in the microorganism and insect are grown on that crop, so that they storage in our home. We storage in like a bucket, and that they are crop, many crop. So our mother, you see that our mother put into the neem leaves to storage the crop. Why? Because that a microorganism not on there. So thank you for listening. That is my presentation. I hope you will enjoy that presentation. If you will if you will like it, so like and comment section in that video. I will meet you, and I will meet you on tomorrow presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.